Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick review on this Greenlight 79 LTD. Now this is a car that I've never had before, and I really like this packaging. It's outstanding, really bright and catches your eye. So I'm just going to open this. So you don't have to throw this away, you can reuse it after, like I always do. It saves you buying those expensive car storage units, and you can just stack it in a box in the original packaging. So this car, I could see through the package that the hood doesn't open, so I was a little bit disappointed about that. Also, you can see the window is dirty, so I'm not too happy about that either. But what I could also see through the packaging is that the back opens up. Let's take a look at that. I don't want to force it too much. I think it might go all the way down. So anyways, on this unit, it only goes down so far, which is still kind of neat. I never had a 79 LTD. I had the older version from Matchbox. This is kind of neat car with the two dogs in the back. And I also had another one, another old Matchbox. This one's a Studebaker, and this one has a retractable roof. That's also kind of an old car, but I never had a 79 LTD. First time I've seen that, and it's got some pretty good detail. The wood grain is well done. It's got real rubber tires, like all Greenlights. Decent detail under the hood, under the car. So I'm not too happy about the windows being dirty, so I'm gonna pop the rivets and I'm gonna clean the windows. I removed the rubber tires just to give me some room to work. Anyways, this is what you get when you remove the undercarriage. I busted the rivets that hold this together, but that's not going to be a problem. I'll just put it back with some crazy glue, and then the interior comes out. Decent amount of detail. You can take a good look at the dashboard, and for 1/64 scale, it's a decent amount of detail. And the tailgate still won't open very far, which is okay, I guess. Still kind of neat to have the opening tailgate, so that it can just stay there while I clean the windows. Note how the windows are riveted to the roof. Same with the dashboard. If I really wanted to get in there, I would, but I don't think I need to. So that's going to be fine like that. I'm just going to put everything back together. The interior, the back's got to fit over the rivet. There, now that feels good. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of crazy glue to hold the base together. That way, if I ever want to get in there again, I can. And then I'll glue the front part. When I put it back together, I noticed they put a little strip of wood on the roof rack, so that's a nice little touch. So this is going to display nice, especially with the clean windows. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.